Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix customer service. Whether you're running into a technical issue, have billing questions, or just need guidance on building your site, knowing how to access Wix's support system can save you tons of time and frustration. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Open your browser and log into your Wix account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, open a new browser tab and type in support.wix.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll be directed straight to the Wix support page. This is your main hub for all things related to help and troubleshooting on the platform. Once you're on the support page, you'll notice a search field right at the top. This is where you can start asking questions directly. Type in whatever issue or topic you're dealing with, but here's an important tip: be as detailed as possible with your question. The more specific you are, the better the answers you'll receive from Wix's support system. After typing your question, click the Get Answer button, and Wix will pull up relevant articles and solutions tailored to what you asked. This feature is incredibly helpful for quick fixes and common questions. Now, if you scroll down further on the support page, you'll see Wix's knowledge base. This section is organized by categories like getting started, creating your site, account and billing, and many more. Each category is divided by topic, making it easy to navigate through different areas of the platform. Take your time to read through each section that's relevant to your needs. The knowledge base is packed with step-by-step guides and tutorials that cover nearly everything Wix has to offer. Keep scrolling down until you reach the More Questions section. Here you'll find a link that gives you direct access to Wix's community forums. This is a great place to connect with other Wix users who might have faced similar issues or have creative solutions to share. If you still haven't found a solution to your problem or you're looking for something more specific, continue scrolling all the way down to the footer section of the page. Look for the Contact Us link. It's usually located at the bottom. Clicking on Contact Us will open up several options for reaching out to Wix directly. From here, you can contact sales if you're interested in enterprise solutions, or click the Get Help button if you need specific assistance with your website building. There are also options if you want to explore partnership opportunities, affiliate programs, or even career opportunities under Wix. Each option is clearly labeled so you can choose the one that fits your needs. And that's it. You now know how to navigate Wix customer service and get the help you need, whether through the knowledge base, community forums, or direct contact. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.